Hi. In this video we'll be reviewing PDF.co Airtable plugin for PDF merge. This plugin is useful to create PDF from merging all PDF as well as non-PDF files. Basically all files from row will be merged and stored to a specified output cell. Let's get started. First step would be to add the PDF.co API key. This API can be obtained upon signing up to PDF.co. This is the main screen of PDF Merger where we add configurations. Now, let's review table data. In the URL column we have a link to Excel file. Excel contains 2 sheets. In the other cells we have a PDF file of 1 page each. Now that we have all the details added, let's execute it by clicking the Run button. Upon completion of execution, we'll see a new file added in the output column. As we observe, we have successfully generated PDF by merging all PDF or non-PDF files. It's great, isn't it? Thank you for watching.